I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't... Okay, wait lang. Magagawin tayo ngayon, guys. Ang gagawin natin is we're going to cook like this. You know what is this? You know what is this? We're going to cook the... Yan, nakasabit na lahat. Magluluto tayo ng ano, ng... Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito? Ay, hindi yung pagluluto ng mga ganito. Basta guys, yun. Hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan nito sa Ilocano na ano. Magluluto tayo ng ganito. Hindi ko alam. Basta, the first, if we're going to, this one. Hi. Shout out pala kay Ate Asis dyan. Kung nanonood ka naman ngayon, shout out sa'yo. And of course, ngayon guys, ano pala, babalatan natin ito. Babalatan natin. Like this. Alam niyo anong tawag dito? Bunga ng kalamungkay. Bunga ng, this is the vegetables from the moringa tree. The moringa, you know what is the moringa means? Yeah, the moringa is the moringa. And galing to sa puno ng moringa, if you know what is the moringa. And yeah, you know, this is very delicious if you're going to try like this, guys. Masarap talaga siya eh, kapag na-try nyo. Magluluto tayo ng ganito. Here we stand again, like we always dream. Kailangan pa kasi babalatan ito para hindi masyadong mapait. Bakit may mga ano kasi? Nakaano kasi ito guys. Dapat ito siya. Pero hindi naman. Para naman ako pinipit. That one. And of course, we're going to balat this one guys. Kung alam nila. Yan, magbabalat na naman tayo ng ganito. Kukunti na lang, ilang minuto na lang, ilang seconds na lang. At mag-i-end na rin to guys. And that's all. Magluluto tayo ng ganito. Bye-bye!